Okay, my AP Stat babies, we are going to look at example 3 in your notes. Look at this beautiful, colorful segmented bar graph. That's amazing. Okay, sorry. Got a little cut up. I know you're surprised. Okay, so we have two segmented bar graphs here. And so let's analyze what's going on. All right, let's pay attention to what we see. So we've got relative frequency over here. That means we have percentages. And then we've got as a favorite core class either math or English. So we have people who fall into one of two categories. We've got people who love math, that's their favorite thing because they're really smart. And then we've got the English group here. And you know what? No judgment if you're in that one, because I minored in English in college for 10 minutes until I realized how many extra classes I was going to have to take. So anyway, having said that, we have these two groups here, and within people who prefer math, we have a certain percentage of them who prefer technology, foreign language, PE, music, and art for their elective classes, and we have the same thing over here for the people who prefer English as a core subject. So if you'll notice, you can easily tell what percentage of each group likes what. So let's use that information to answer our questions. So question part A, that didn't sound right, part A of question 3, of the students who prefer math. So we're looking in this first bar chart here. Approximately what percentage of them prefer technology? Well, this is pretty easy. All we got to do is look at this line right here. So I'm going to go about 38%, something like that. I would definitely go over 35 and I wouldn't go to 40, but anywhere in the middle there is going to work for you. So if you said 36, 37, 38, 39, you're all good to go there. So it's just about 38%. So let's look at part B. Which core favorite prefers music more? So this is pretty easy. The music is the light blue. And as you can see, those who prefer English are much more likely to prefer music. That personally doesn't fit with me, but whatever. So it looks like the English core favorite prefers music more than the math core. All right, so let's look at part C. If of the students who prefer English, what percent of them prefer PE? Okay, well that's the dark orange, so let's just, hopefully we can all draw straight lines. That looks like it's about 22%, something like that. Okay, I wouldn't go as low as 20, but if you go 20, 24, 22, something in there would be absolutely perfect. 23, 21, all of those work. So remember, we work in the gray area. We're making approximations. So let's look at part D. Based on what you see in the bars, do you believe that your favorite core and elective classes are independent of each other? In other words, are they unrelated to each other? Explain your thinking. Well, I want you to think about this. In general, does it look like math and English core favorites have a different percentage for certain things? Well, yes. So there's the answer to your question. It looks like your favorite elective class and your favorite core class do definitely have a relationship to each other, which means they would not be independent. So, because math and English prefer different. Oh, that's not how I want to word that. So because math and English prefer different percentages, based on electives they wish to take. Oh, my handwriting is horrible. Oh, for shame, Griggs. Okay, so because math and English prefer different percentages based on electives they wish to take. I'm not sure I like the wording of this. I'm going to word this a different way here in a minute. So because math and English prefer different percentages based on electives they wish to take, it appears favorite core and elective classes are not independent of one another. And I might even go on and say something like, you know, point out something specific that you see. Like, look at PE and technology. The math people clearly prefer those over the English people. So something like that I might add to it. Maybe a better way to say this would be something like the percentages of those who prefer math are different for the percentages of elective classes for those that prefer English, therefore making them not independent. Something like that. I mean, there's a million different ways you could write it, and it's still going to be correct. So anyway, there's your last categorical example. Enjoy doing your homework. Make good choices. Bye-bye.